Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh and sizzling news all day long. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Help us grow this channel by giving this video a massive thumbs up so that it gets recommended to other YouTube viewers all around the world as well. Lastly, leave your opinions down below. Breaking news: Appeal Court clarifies error in Kano Governorship judgment. The Court of Appeal has addressed the controversy surrounding the certified true copy (CTC) of a Kano governorship judgment, assuring the public that the discrepancies were due to clerical error and did not affect the substance of a court decision. The clarification was made by Chief Registrar Omar M. Bagari, who assured that this clerical error would be rectified once parties in the matter file formal applications to that effect. Mr. Bagari drew the attention of reporters to Order 23, Rule 4 of a Court of Appeal Handbook, which empowers the court to correct any clerical error once detected by the court or any of the parties in the matter. Contrary to insinuations, the judgment of a court remains valid, it said. Meanwhile, Abba Yusuf has headed to the Supreme Court following the appeal court judgment which sacked him as governor. Recall that INEC had declared Yusuf, the NNPP candidate, the winner of the 2023 gubernatorial election in Kano. However, the state governorship election petitions tribunal nullified his victory, declaring the candidate of All Progressive Congress (APC), Nasiru Gawuna, as winner. This decision was upheld by the Court of Appeal. However, in a certified true copy of a judgment, the Court of Appeal appeared to have ordered the APC to pay Governor Yusuf 1 million naira, with the judgment seeming to favor the NNPP candidate. So the court gave a judgment, and on the CTC copy, a different judgment was on the paper. If it was a wrong spelling error or a wrong grammar error, that would have been explainable. But how do you explain that in the CTC copy? The governor, whom you said is not the rightful winner of the election in the judgment, you are now asking the APC to pay him 1 million naira as compensation in the judgment that is in the CTC copy. How is this even how is this even right? In which world will this be right? This is quite funny because I feel that the judiciary has been caught red-handed. Like, they have been caught red-handed. Red-handed like this, they have been caught, because this one is not even any clerical error. This cannot even be clerical error. It's not even a grammatical error. It is not a spelling error. So how are they able to mistake the judgment? How are they go? This one is inexplainable. Let me remind you before we go ahead that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the right time for you to do so. Subscribe and join us. Join this amazing community here. Like this video and also leave your comments in the comment section below. I respond to all of my comments. Before we go, guys, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Izu Godson says, very soon, cases in courts will be determined by which lawyers defeated their opponents in physical fights, because the law as it's written in black and white now is not applicable. Musa Hammer says sometimes slip of tongue represents the inner truth of an individual. Of course, you're right. Sometimes there could be slip-ups. What you had already, wanted to say, that you were biting your tongue not to say. You will just say it without knowing it, in a slip of tongue, and you say a slip of tongue, but that is your true intention. And I feel that is what has happened in this case. Hilary Banknot says National Assembly, INEC, Judiciary, and NLC, if these four are successfully pocketed by the executive, then the country is in trouble. One chance. Barnabas says, shame on our judges. They will explain till 2027 because they refuse to do the right thing. Mujahid Riskua says, vote robbers, they shall not succeed. What they are planning in Kano, Plateau, Zamfara, and Rivers, shameless thieves. Odigie says, Nigeria are a confused nation. How are sure APC Supreme Court will not overrule appeal court? Oluwasami Olariwaju says, shut up that dirty thing you call mouth, shameless lot. Error indeed. Error that awarded a cost against APC. Atayao. And in favor of a governor who the court sacked. What further evidence do we need in this country that the judiciary has been compromised? What a shame of a nation. The three corruptible judges should bow their heads in shame. In Sena claims they should have just resigned. This is despicable, disgusting, and unacceptable. You shamelessly called these daylight robbery and error. In fact, this is so shameless. In fact, the judges that are involved, they should bow their heads in shame. If this were to be in a Sena, country where, they follow rules and regulations, where they have law and actually implement their law, these judges would have resigned, because this is so despicable. How do you pass a judgment and then in the CTC copy, the judgment has been overturned, and you are saying that APC should pay a compensation of 1 million to the sitting governor that you said has been removed in your judgment? Abba, now you people fear God. You all, thank you very much for always listening and watching. I will see you all in my next video.